Hi guys, and welcome back to Prophecy Unfolding, where prophecy is truly unfolding. One of the topics in biblical curriculum that really intrigues me is the whole thing of the fallen angels, Genesis 6, the whole story. And a lot of it does come from Genesis 6, and then we have extra biblical, the likes of Enoch, which goes into some detail on exactly what happened, etc., around the fallen angels. It really is a topic that has kind of sparked my curiosity for the last 10, 12 years. Now, somebody sent me a video which really, I'm not going to say that this is 100%, I can't, I physically wasn't there, but the Euphrates River, which most of us probably know about, has dried up somewhat, a huge amount. And this, they say, is what was recorded in some of the holes there. You could hear certain things. Now, I want you to just to listen, be open-minded. Don't take this as gospel. I'm not telling you to do that, but it really just sparked my curiosity. And for me, this is all part of everything that's coming about. This is going to be a huge prophecy in terms of the end. We're going to see many things like this starting to happen. Remember, I'm not saying this is gospel, but it really sparked my curiosity. Have a look and a listen. It's only a short video. Have a listen to it and tell me what you think. Drop a comment below and tell me exactly what you think of this. And guys, if it's your first time here, you're very welcome. Remember, you know what you have to do if you want to become part of the family. I'd be more than welcome to have you here. Have a listen to this and watch this, guys, and I'll see you on the other side.